Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art Bhi Craft Bhi. Myself Poonam Sharma, and today's main video is specially about the use of oil pastel color. So watch the video carefully and how we can make attractive painting using direct oil pastel colors by using very light and simple drawing. In this video, you will find there is no need any kind of special drawing. So let us start the video now and enjoy it with music. Use your pencil color along with the oil pastel color wherever required. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please like it and share it as much as possible with your friends and relatives. If you want a special video on a particular subject, then please comment me on comment section box. Thanks for watching the video.